In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to freeze a view in Smartsheet, a handy tool for managing and organizing your projects effectively. By the end of this guide, you'll be able to keep certain columns visible while scrolling through your data, enhancing both usability and functionality, especially when working with large data sets. When working in Smartsheet, you may sometimes find it helpful to keep specific information visible on your screen at all times. That's where freezing columns comes into play. To get started, open your Smartsheet where you wish to implement this feature. Take a moment to identify which part of your sheet you want to keep in view. Typically, users like to freeze columns, such as headers or important data points that are referenced frequently. Now, once you've decided the location for your freeze, hover your cursor just below the header of the column that is immediately to the right of the column you want to freeze. This means if you want to freeze columns A and B, you'd need to hover below the column header for column C. Make sure your cursor is positioned directly beneath that header. This step is crucial for the next step to work correctly. As you hover in the correct spot, you'll notice a small drop-down arrow appearing. It might not be immediately obvious, so be attentive to ensure you spot it. Click this drop-down arrow to reveal a list of options. In the menu that appears, look for and select the option labeled Freeze Column. Selecting this option will freeze all the columns to the left of the column header you clicked beneath. This means these columns will remain visible on your screen, even as you scroll to the right through your data. It's designed to help you maintain visibility of critical information without having to constantly scroll back and forth, ultimately improving your efficiency as you work. If you ever need to unfreeze these columns, don't worry. Simply repeat this process and select Unfreeze Column from the same drop-down menu. This flexibility allows you to tailor the view to meet your current needs, adapting as necessary based on the task at hand. And that's it. By following these straightforward steps, you now have the power to freeze and unfreeze columns in your Smartsheet, keeping crucial information readily accessible. This feature, while simple to execute, can significantly enhance your ability to manage projects effectively. As you continue to use Smartsheet, keep experimenting and exploring its functionalities to further streamline your workflow and boost productivity. Thanks for watching, and be sure to check out more tutorials for additional tips and tricks.